All right, what's the solution of the equation 10n plus 6 equals 106? So what we're going to do is we're going to pick some numbers here, okay? And I'm going to start at, let's say, 4, because I don't want to start all the way down really super low, because that doesn't make any sense. We know we got to get all the way up to 106. So I'm going to just try 4 to start. We can always adjust. If I overshot it and it was too high, we could try it again. That would put a 4 here. And what is 10 times 4? 40. Plus 6, 46. We need to hit 106. So that's too low. So I'm going to actually jump up a few. Let's try 7. Okay. Put a 7 in there. 10 times 7, 70. Plus 6, 76. That's a pretty good sign. Okay. Let's try 9. 9. 10 times 9, 90. Plus 6, 96. Pretty good. Still not there yet, so I'm going to go a couple higher. I'm going to go up to 11. 11. 10 times 11, 110. Plus 6, 116. Oops. I jumped right over the number I was trying to hit. Okay. 96 was too low. 116 was too high. So I'm going to back off and I'm going to go to 10. Just fun fact, your table, it doesn't matter if your table jumps around in its values. It doesn't have to increase or decrease by the same amount every time. They've just got to be true. Okay, so if you plug 10 in there, you get 10 times 10. 100, 100 plus 6, 106. And there it is. There's the solution we're looking for. So what is the solution of the equation? The solution, as we would call it, would be n equals 10. That is going to be the value of n that solves this by saying when n is 10, the whole equation or the whole expression here works out to be 106, which is what we wanted.